విశాఖపట్నం జోన్ 2 పరిధిలో బక్కనపాలెం వద్ద గల సెంటెన్ స్కూల్ ఆవరణంలో ఇంటర్ స్కూల్ టోర్నమెంట్ ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమం 17 మరియు 18 తేదీల్లో జరిగింది. ఈ టోర్నమెంట్లో విశాఖ జిల్లా నుంచి 19 స్కూళ్లు పాల్గొన్నాయి. ఈ 2 రోజులు బాస్కెట్బాల్, వాలీబాల్, త్రోబాల్లో పోటీలు జరిగాయి. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ముఖ్య అతిథిగా శ్రీమతి జోన్ గెలియంట్, సెక్రటరీ, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ స్పోర్ట్స్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ హాజరయ్యారు. మరియు ప్రత్యేక అతిథులుగా ఎం. సునీల్ మహాంతి, ప్రెసిడెంట్, విశాఖ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ అసోసియేషన్, టి.ఎస్.ఆర్. ప్రసాద్, చైర్మన్, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ అసోసియేషన్, విశాఖ ఈ పోటీల్లో గెలుపొందిన జట్లకు, విజేతలకు బహుమతులు అందజేశారు.
On behalf of the management, staff and students at St. Anne's Institution. I take great pleasure, pride and privilege to roll out the red carpet and extend warm, warming greetings and felicitations to the respected chief guest, the most inspiring special guests, well-wishers, champions from near and far away schools, press and media. I extend a warm greetings and felicitations on this brilliant buoyancy.
It is very, very important for every sports person. This is the most important thing that you have to bear in mind. When we stand here to declare a meet open, it's utter disappointment to see the physical directors do not insist on your team's reporting when the team is to declare the meet open or when an oath is being taken. I request all the physical directors to please ensure that your students are standing here. An inter-school tournament is as much a privilege than any other national level. It is because from this level you graduate to become state level players and national players and represent your country. If your discipline at this level is not good, do not ever expect to become a great player. You have coaches who are sitting there, my team of coaches, who have produced dignitaries among you and a principal here who is so interested. This is most disrespectful when teams do not line up. Whichever school it is, I request every student to kindly line up for declaration of the meet open. Declared the St. Anne's Inter-School Tournament 24-25 open. Wishing you all the best.
Correspondent Madam, Principal Madam, our Basketball Secretary Sri Bhushan Rao Garu, teachers, students, and the conducting in St. Anne's School inter-school competition. It's a very good job, giving so much of importance for sports activities in Madhurwada area. So I request all the parents, you have to encourage your children to participate sports and games to develop their intellectual and discipline skills to participate and to grow your children. As far as the basketball is concerned, we are providing all kind of facilities in various schools. In basketball, free dresses, that is free uniform and free accommodation, transport for all the participants who are participating in national level and state level tournaments. So I request our principal madam, St. Anne's principal madam, to provide a good number of participants from your in basketball. From our association, we will provide all the facilities. Anyway, our district officer, sports officer, madam also here. She is also in our district. When she joined, taken charge, after that a lot of changes have come up, and she is also very interested, and she is also hockey and basketball player. So in this her tenure, the sports and games activities will develop, and everybody has to cooperate for this meet, and you have to play in disciplined way and without making any participation is important. Winning and losing is not a you have all participating not to win or lose. It's only participation is very, very important. So all the best for all little champions. Thank you.